So, good morning,
Good morning.
and as you can see, we are trying to catch the sunrise, and it's a beautiful morning. The moon lighting our path,
Yeah.
and hopefully, the light changes from white to orange soon. It's been a memorable ride
Yeah, it's been a great ride.
with some fantastic views.
Fantastic views, fantastic sunsets, and fantastic roads, which we hope to encounter more of today. So yeah, so I think from here we'll go on to Rajapur, and from Rajapur we'll catch the Bombay Goa highway. So that's the plan for the day.
See you soon.
See you soon. Bye bye. I think the third time we're stopping in the same place and unintentionally, right? Hotel Zenith, as you can see, we are stopping here for a nice good meal. We stopped for lunch and breakfast in previous rides. So yeah, much recommended. And next stop should be at Mahad for a lunch break, and then we just ride on home. Alright, see you. Bye. We just stopped for lunch at this place called Burger Wrap. Yeah, Burger Beans at Mahad. Really nice burger.
Much better compared to the
Fancy,
outlets that we have back in
yeah, all the fancy gourmet burgers. Any day have it. We're at Mahad now. I think it's about 3 hours, 15 minutes to home. So hopefully we should do it in maybe 3.5 hours. The break for butter milk along the way. So yeah, that is the plan now.
next stop Power
Yeah, maybe we can stop for a soul curry or something. We can stop there for soul curry. That would be a good video. Yeah. Alright then, see you on the road. It's interesting to shoot on the road. Although I highly doubt it. It's just plain old, same old, boring highway. Alright then, see you. quick stop.
Final leg. Last 2 kilometers.
Yeah, about 2 hours. Probably the most boring part of the entire journey. But you know,
To be highly dusty.
yeah, and full of traffic and broken roads. So that's what it is. So good journey so far, good holiday. Yeah, just finished on high. See you. Until next. See you. Bye.
Now we are finally within NMMC jurisdiction, as can be seen from
Yes,
the iconic.
as always, that's the end of our video. Even a previous video we ended at a similar location. Good
We are
vacation.
tiring, right?
We had tiring ride in the last 100 odd kilometers.
But more so tiring because of the long gap we had.
Correct.
in our riding.
Very, very long gap. I think it's been more than 2 years since such a long ride.
And we covered more than 250 kilometers.
Correct.
We're hoping for some more rides
This year.
season
Yeah,
before the monsoon.
before the monsoon. Alright then, we'll catch you on the next ride.
See you soon.
See you. Thanks. Bye.